up? It's your girl, Courtney Alive. Yeah, baby. Y'all don't know how freaking excited I am for this mother freaking video, but I am just so excited, and I'm just grateful and just so excited. I'm just so excited, y'all. I treated myself into something. I invest into myself. I treated myself. So, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to see what the Amazon 4K vlogging camera was like. So, y'all, my mama was so excited for me that she went and opened the box. So, yeah, so this video is supposed to be an unboxing because, y'all, I watched so many reviews on this camera that I'm straight. Like, I watched so many reviews on this camera. Like, I got extra batteries, I got a mic, I got a light. Okay, don't play with it. I came so prepared. Like, baby, I got extra batteries, I got a mic, I got a light. Like, I'm just so happy. But y'all, I'm just so excited. Like, here's the mic. Here's the mic. So, go ahead and open up. We just got a ladder. We just got a ladder. Where it's from? Let me open this thing up. Let me open this thing up. Let me open this thing up. Y'all, I'm just so excited. And guess what color it is? Guess what color it is, y'all? Yo, I think I'm about to cry. Hold on, don't get too hyped up, Courtney. Y'all don't play with it. It's pink. Even though I know what I ordered, but it's pink, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm trying not to cry. But it's pink, y'all. It's so cute. I was waiting for this package at the door, y'all. Like, for real. Alright, so I'm trying to open up this other stuff. I really don't know. Okay, so it came with a box or whatever. I don't want to rip open the box. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I got 2 batteries, and I'm guessing these are the batteries or whatever. Which I think this is the batteries. Yep, so these are the batteries, guys. I'm so excited. I got another battery. And then, I guess this the lens cover, which, yes, y'all, lens covers are very important. Very, very, very important. I really don't know how to, y'all, I'm not the best at working cameras. Like, not the best. This is the lens. And this is another lens, I'm guessing. I don't really know how to work it. I wish Leilani was up in here with me. I really don't know how to work it. Y'all, I'm not the best at working cameras, but I'm going to be the best. But lens covers are important, so we're gonna wrap it up. Here go the little charger thingy and whatever. And here go like a plug, I'm guessing, for the batteries. And this is very important too, so I could just, when I didn't get a tripod, but I will be getting a tripod soon because I didn't see a tripod that I like. But this is very important too, the little thingy thing. So yeah, So let me let me turn on the camera and stuff like that. So I could set up the settings and stuff. So it's just like a little thing that opens at the bottom, I'm guessing. And the battery go up and up. Dang, these batteries. See? And then you turn it on right here. It's so good! Okay. Okay. Let me do the settings before I start looking at stuff. Menu. Okay. I might have to help. Leilani might have to help me with this. Cause girl. Is that it? Yeah, I might have to get on YouTube and figure this one out. Cause I don't know how to do this one. Yeah, I might have to get on YouTube, watch a YouTube video on this one. I seen a girl did it. Okay, I want to do the settings before anything. It say video, so it's on the right settings. So hold on, y'all. I'm watching a YouTube video to figure out how to set up the camera quality. Okay, so let me back up.
Which is this button right here that says menu. And this should take you to your settings. Okay, so after you press your menu button.
Okay, so I need help. Okay, so this. Okay, so it's a 4K.
Like this. So the first thing we're going to adjust is where it says recording resolution. You see mine says 720p. We're going to change that to 4K 30. So press the OK button. The camera is then going to come to a screen like this, and we're just going to scroll up to where it says 4K 30 and press OK. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to white balance. You're going to press OK, and then scroll up to auto and press OK. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go down to scene, and you see where mine says landscape. We're going to change that to portrait. Next, we're going to go to exposure setting. We're going to go down to 1. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to metering mode. Put your camera on spot metering. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down to sharpness, and you're going to press OK. Put your sharpness on high. Next, we're going to scroll down to video quality and just keep that on high.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so I changed the settings and let's see. I changed the settings, so let's see how it does. Oh, well, hold on, girl. Wait, did I do something wrong? I think I did something wrong. Yeah, I'm not good at cameras. I think I did something wrong. Oh, yeah, hold on. Okay, let's turn it off. Powered it on. Why is it upside down? This is weird. This is weird. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, all right, so I fixed it. And I'm trying to focus it. Focus. I don't know. I'm about to put the other stuff on it and see what it do. Cause I really don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I am not good at cameras. Maybe I should put the other lens on there too. I don't know, y'all. I'm not good at this. I'm not good at cameras. I knew I wasn't good at cameras. Ugh, this make me cringe. I knew I wasn't good at cameras, but let's see what this do. Focus. 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 Focus, bitch! Talking to the camera. Let me see it. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. I'm trying to focus it. It's recording. I ain't asked you to record. Maybe if I like sit it down type stuff, because they say you can't like move it around too much. They say you can't move it around too much. So if you move it around too much, it may, like, I don't know, y'all. All right, so we about to open another package that comes with the camera, and we're gonna see what it do or whatever. Where my pen at? This pen gonna help me. Okay, this is the batteries, the extra batteries. I don't need that right now. This must be the light that I bought. Come on. I hope this camera works, like, for real. I hope this camera works. I hope I don't have to charge this. Nobody got time for that. I know I'm gonna have to charge it, but I don't want to charge it right now. Oh, purr! Where the camera at? Okay, so how to... Purr, y'all! Don't play with it. Okay, so... Dang, this light kind of bright. So they say if you have a ring light, this light, and a mic, you're really good with this camera. So I hope that's really true, because I got a ring light, baby. I hope that's really true. And that wasn't just no Kappa light, you feel me? How you freaking do this? Oh, I think it's something. I'm slow. There we go. It's tight. I think it's tight. Yeah, I think it's tight. I could tighten it extra. And then this box. Y'all, I pray God bless this camera. I pray this camera work, y'all. Like, for real. I played with the settings. This for when it's windy outside. I play with the settings or whatever and everything. I don't know how to set up this mic for real though. Okay, so this is the wire, I'm guessing. Yeah, I do not really know what I'm doing with this mic. I really don't. I want to scream Leilani, but I don't know what to do with this mic. This is for the camera. The mic. Girl, do they even got instructions? know how black people don't even read instructions? I'm that black person that don't even read instructions. I'm her. Let me put this over the mic so I can see. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, y'all. So the bed is junky and everything. But I tried to download the app. I really don't know what's going on with the app. Maybe I should download it on my phone because it's like this. And I don't even know what that means. It's saying our Wi-Fi thing, but it's not. Oh, there it go. It's saying empty folder. Okay, so now it's better. I can see like that. It's saying please wait. Okay, maybe because I turned off the Wi-Fi setting on my phone on the camera. Let me put it back to record. One second. I'm sorry. I turned off the Wi-Fi setting. That's probably why it ain't doing it. There we go. Natural. It say press up to Wi-Fi to turn on Wi-Fi. Please scan download app. Wi-Fi ID 4K _ Wi-Fi. Password. Connect over time. Please make sure connecting to. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. I don't know how this stuff works. I might just get back to y'all after I'm done with this because I don't want a long video over craziness. It's not crazy, but I really don't know what I'm doing. All right, y'all. So I'm back and I figured it out. So when it's time like to edit your video and connect, like to edit your video and download the films and stuff that you want to, you download the app and you go to the thing, you go here. Hold on, let me show y'all. All right, so you go here and you just enter that information right there. You go on your settings and 4K _ Wi-Fi gonna pop up and you enter those settings. All right, so y'all, it's the next day and the camera, like, I just have to play with the settings and stuff like that. I feel like, yes, it's kind of still that Android camera right now, but I just feel like I gotta play with the settings. I'm gonna give y'all a month update on the camera. If my mama tell me to return it, I'm gonna just return it. But I don't know. I feel like everybody else camera, not everybody else, because some people camera look crazy. And so I see good reviews and bad reviews. But I feel like if I could just play with the settings a little bit. And I took it outside recently and it didn't look that bad outside. So maybe it's just like a vlogging camera, like for natural sunlight. Maybe it's not for like lighting or all that extra stuff. So maybe it's just a vlogging camera because I took it outside and it really looked good. But once I take it in my room, put on the lights and and try to record and send this footage to my phone, it looked crazy. Like I could give y'all a little footage of the vlog of how I looked last night, but I'm gonna keep trying to work with it or whatever. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But if I do return it, I'm gonna let y'all know. But I don't know. Because I took it outside and it didn't look that bad. But I would recommend buying extra batteries. I would recommend buying this and definitely buy a mic. And I would, the app is okay, but I would recommend, I was trying to get it, but I didn't get it. Like a little thing to put in your phone and you put the SD card in, an adapter. I would recommend that. But I look ghetto, so let me get off this camera and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'm going to give y'all a month update. Because I know this wasn't the best review on the camera. Because I kept cutting off the camera, trying to figure out the camera and stuff like that. So I'm most definitely going to give y'all a month update. Bye.